One car every 10 seconds, not one every 10 minutes, not one per minute. One finished car per 10 seconds, one car every 10 seconds. And that target is not hypothetical. It is the engineering specification Tesla has publicly committed to for the Cybercab production line at Giga Texas, backed by 3 manufacturing breakthroughs no other automaker has successfully combined in a single factory. This video breaks down how the 50,000-ton Gigapress, Conformal cooling technology, and the Unboxed process work together to make that number real, and why competitors who buy the same machines still cannot replicate the result. To understand what makes the Cybercab line fundamentally different, you have to start with what the line replaced. Tesla's Model Y production at Gigafactory Shanghai currently runs a casting cycle of approximately 35 seconds, using a 6,100-ton Gigapress, itself a machine that was considered revolutionary when Tesla introduced it in 2020. The Cybertruck moved to a 9,000-ton system, increasing clamping force and structural component scale. The Cybercab's next-generation system targets up to 50,000 tons of clamping force. But the clamping force number is not the primary story. The primary story is what that force enables architecturally. At 50,000 tons, Tesla can operate multi-cavity molds, molds capable of casting 5 vehicle frames or major structural sections simultaneously in a single production cycle. The difference between 1 casting per cycle and 5 per cycle is not linear. It is geometric. 5 frames at 10 seconds per cycle produces 18 frames per minute. 1 frame at 35 seconds produces fewer than 2. The output ratio is approximately 9:1, the scale of the competitive gap. Tesla is attempting to lock in before any other automaker reaches equivalent hardware. The physics barrier that has historically prevented casting at this speed is heat. When molten aluminum at approximately 850 degrees Celsius is injected into a mold under extreme pressure, 2 failure modes are competing simultaneously. If the metal flows too slowly, it solidifies before filling the mold's complex internal channels, producing a defective casting that must be scrapped. If it flows too fast, air becomes entrapped, creating bubbles that compromise structural integrity at the microscopic level. Traditional die casting manages this tension by slowing the process. Longer cycle times reduce both failure modes, but limit output. Tesla's answer is conformal cooling, 3-dimensional thermal channels designed to follow the exact contours of the mold surface rather than running in straight lines through the mold body. This allows heat to be extracted evenly and extremely quickly across the entire complex geometry of the casting, rather than cooling unevenly from fixed positions. Real-time fluid dynamics simulation using supercomputing infrastructure allows Tesla's engineers to optimize these channels for each new mold design before any physical tooling is cut. The result is a controlled thermal environment precise enough to take molten aluminum to a fully solid structural frame in a matter of seconds, not minutes. The second breakthrough that makes the 10-second target achievable is Tesla's proprietary aluminum alloy, which requires no post-casting heat treatment. In conventional die casting, the solidified part must go through annealing or thermal processing after leaving the mold, a step that can take hours. By developing an alloy that achieves its target material properties directly from the casting process, Tesla eliminates that entire step. Robots remove finished structural components from the mold almost immediately after solidification. The cumulative effect is a casting cycle compressed from a multi-stage, multi-hour process into single-digit seconds. The third element connecting the casting system to overall factory output is the unboxed process itself. Rather than moving a vehicle body sequentially through a linear line, Tesla produces 5 to 6 major structural modules in parallel on independent production lanes. Front structure, rear structure, structural battery floor, and side structures are each assembled simultaneously, then joined in a final closing step. This parallel workflow removes the assembly bottleneck from the critical path. The factory floor footprint shrinks by approximately 40%. The number of welding robots and the thousands of weld points they produce, each one a potential failure or tolerance accumulation point, is replaced by large single-piece castings with no weld seams. The competitive implication of this combination is the part most observers underestimate. Toyota and Volkswagen can purchase casting machines from LK Technology, the manufacturer that supplies Tesla's Gigapress hardware. They have done so. What they cannot purchase is Tesla's proprietary control algorithms for the casting process, the heat treatment-free alloy formula, or the years of data from millions of production cycles that inform real-time quality control decisions. Tesla's AI-powered X-ray inspection systems perform structural quality verification in-line on the production line, during production, not after, enabling defective parts to be identified and flagged without interrupting the production rhythm. A competitor running the same machine without the same process control infrastructure will produce castings, but not at the same cycle time, consistency, or defect rate. The machine is the hardware, the process is the moat. There is also an underappreciated sustainability dimension to single-piece casting at this scale. Because the entire frame is produced from a single alloy, end-of-life recycling is dramatically simpler than for multi-material welded assemblies. Excess aluminum scraps can be returned directly to the on-site melting furnace, creating a closed-loop material cycle. Hundreds fewer component trucks enter and exit the factory daily, reducing both logistics cost and supply chain carbon emissions. The Cybercab is the first vehicle specifically engineered from initial design around this manufacturing system, not adapted to it after the fact. That distinction matters enormously. Legacy vehicle architectures designed for stamped steel and welding cannot simply be redrawn for gigacasting without compromising the efficiency gains. The Cybercab has no steering wheel, no pedals, and approximately 50% fewer parts than the Model 3. Every element of the vehicle's architecture was defined with the constraints and capabilities of the Unboxed process and 50,000-ton casting as the starting conditions, not as constraints added later. The color-infused panel system removes the paint shop entirely, one of the most energy-intensive and space-consuming stages in traditional automotive manufacturing. Injecting color agents at the moment of plastic panel formation under pressure produces a finish that is not a surface coating, but a material property of the panel itself. The footprint, parts count, cycle time, and structural architecture of the Cybercab are all outputs of the same design philosophy. Build the vehicle around the machine, not the machine around the vehicle. Whether the 10-second target arrives in 2026 or slips into 2027, the manufacturing infrastructure now being assembled at Giga Texas represents a production cost structure that no competitor with existing factory architecture can currently match. That is the real story.